A particle moves a distance x in time t according, it's not according to the equation, it's according to the equation x equal to t plus 5 the whole raised to minus 1. The acceleration of the particle is proportional to. So before I start explaining you the concept behind this, I mean the solution, let me explain the concept behind. So what we have is x equal to t plus 5 the whole raised to minus 1. Let me take you through examples like that. So let's say y is equal to x raised to minus 1, in which case what is dy by dx is equal to, it will be equal to d by dx of x to the power minus 1. And we know that d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So d by dx of x to the power minus 1 will be equal to minus 1 into, right, x raised to n minus 1. What is n here? Minus 1. So this becomes minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 x to the power minus 2, right? Now see, x to the power n can be written as 1 by x to the power minus n. X to the power minus n can be written as 1 by x to the power plus n, which means this I can write it as minus 1 by x to the power plus 2, which makes d by dx of x to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by x square. I hope this much is clear. Now, we need understanding about the... Okay, I think we can solve the question with this much, but... okay, let's go one step further. So, keeping this example in mind, let us solve another equation which says y is equal to say x plus 3 the whole to the power minus 1, in which case dy by dx will be equal to, say, d by dx of x plus 3 the whole time minus 1, which is equal to n into, right, because d by dx of, write it once again, so d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. So what is n here? Minus 1. What is x here? We don't have x here. Instead of x, we have x plus 3, which is equal to x plus 3 into x plus 3 raised to minus 1 minus 1. Now, since it is not just x and x plus 3, what we need to do is we need to multiply into d by dx of x plus 3. So this is what we have to do. Okay. So this will become minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole power minus 2 into, what is d by dx of x plus 3? It is 1 plus 0. Therefore, this becomes minus 1 by x plus 3 whole square. Therefore, we can say that d by dx of x plus 3 the whole raised to minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by x plus 3 the whole square. Alright, we're not done yet. Keeping this in mind, we'll solve one more derivative. So let's say we have y is equal to x plus 3 the whole to the power, okay, let's say x square plus 3 the whole raised to the power minus 1, in which case we know that dy by dx will be equal to d by dx of x square plus 3 whole to the power minus 1. But we know that d by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. Here n is equal to minus 1, which will change the equation as dy by dx is equal to minus 1 into x square plus 3 the whole to the power minus 1 into, what did we say, into d by dx of, what is inside here, is x square plus 3. So this gives us answer minus 1. Okay, so this is not minus 1, this is minus 1 by x square plus 3 to the power plus 2 into what is derivative of x square? It is 2x. What is derivative of 3? It is 0. So this becomes minus 2x the whole upon x square plus 3 the whole square. So we can say that d by dx of x square plus 3 the whole to the whole power minus 1 is equal to minus 2x by x square plus 3 the whole square. So please watch this this a couple of times, right from the first example to the third one. I hope I have given you the clarity. If you have done listening to the explanation a couple of times, let us start solving this question specifically. So what is given here? Given that x is equal to t plus 5 to the power minus 1. So we know that dx by dt would be equal to, or d by dt of x would be equal to d by dt of t plus 5 the whole to the power minus 1, which is again d by dx of x raised to n will be equal to n into, right, d by dx of x raised to n will be equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. Instead of x we have t plus 5 here, instead of n we have minus 1 here. So this will give you minus 1 into t plus 5 times t plus 1 the whole raised to minus 1 into dt by d by dt of t plus 5, which is 1 plus 0. So this further becomes minus 1 by t plus 5 the whole square. So dx by dt is equal to minus 1 by t plus 5 the whole square. Now what is dx by dt? We know that velocity is equal to dx by dt, and it is minus 1 by t plus 5 the whole square. All right. Okay. So now we are not asked to find out velocity. What we are asked to find out is the magnitude of acceleration and the relationship between acceleration. Okay. So what is acceleration now? See, acceleration is basically dv by dt, or which otherwise would mean d by dt of v. And what is v? V is velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is minus 1 by t plus 5 the whole square. So this will be equal to d by dt of, I can take minus 1 outside here, d by dt of t plus 5 the whole raised to minus 2, right, which will be equal to minus 1 into n into, what is n here? Minus 2. Instead of x we have t plus 5 the whole raised to n minus 1, which is minus 2 minus 1. This will give you minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 2 into t plus 5 the whole raised to minus 3, which otherwise can be written as 2 by t plus 5 the whole raised to 3. So acceleration is equal to 2 by t plus 5 raised to 3. Now let us try to find out the relationship between these values. Okay, so what we can write is acceleration is 2 into t plus 5 the whole raised to minus 3. See, what I'll do is I'll make a small algebraic manipulation here. How? I'll write 3. See, what is minus 3? Minus 3 can be written as minus 3 into 1, or minus 3 can be written as 1, which is 2 by 2, right? Or minus 3 can also be written as minus 3 into n by n, or can be written as minus 3 into 4 by 4. So minus 3 can be written as any minus 3 into any number by that number. All right. Now here what I'll do is I'll take minus 3 as minus 3 into 2 by 2. Why? I'll tell you now. So I've taken minus 3 as minus 3 Okay, let me write like this. Minus 3 into 2 by 2. Okay. Now I'll write this further as 2t plus 5 the whole times into raised to minus 3 by 2 into 2. Just basic change of fraction. It remains the same. The value remains the same. Further, let's have a look at t plus 5 raised to minus 3 by 2. If you see what is t plus 5 the whole raised to minus 3 by 22, I'll write it further again. T plus 5 the whole raised to 2, or let us say t plus 5 the whole raised to t plus 5 the whole raised to minus 2 into 3 by 2. All right. Now see, what is velocity? Velocity is equal to minus 1 into t plus 5 whole to the power minus 2. So what is t plus 5? T plus 5 will be v by minus 1 is equal to t plus 5 whole to the power minus 2. So instead of t plus 5 to the power minus 2, what can I write here? I can write this as 2 into minus v whole to the power 3 by 2, which is equal to a. All right. Now, see, in this equation, 2 is a constant. So all what varies is acceleration is proportional to velocity to the power 3 by 2. Which means, are we done with the option? Yes, the correct option is velocity to the power 3 by